Here I've got HTC U Ultra, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first let's open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now click on personalize, and here click on ringtone. And as you can see here, you can come along with all ringtones that you can apply. Let's start with the first one. And then just pick the one that you like the most. For example, let me choose envelope, and then tap on apply. And as you can see, the ringtone has been changed, so this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easy change ringtone in your HTC. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.